So onboarding and defleeting vehicles with embedded data is much easier compared to aftermarket devices or data. Today, fleets are usually connected with an aftermarket device. It could be an OBD dongle you put in the car or a black box that you need to install next to the engine. It takes time, it's complex. Sometimes you need to put the car in the workshop for a day. Sometimes you need some help with the help desk to understand how to put the OBD and it's working and not working and how to connect it. The nice thing about embedded car data that as a fleet you don't need to do anything. The modem is already in the car, the data is being transmitted out. So all you need to do is API integration, which you need to do also with aftermarket data. And you are set to go. You can really focus on your core business and not worry about installation of black boxes or OBDs. And we see fleets really moving very fast to embedded connectivity because the value is very strong and clear. I hope it was helpful.